Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today Apple has officially released iOS 12.3 Beta 2 to registered developers and public beta testers. If you're in the public beta testing program, as I always say, you'll see this later this afternoon or tomorrow at the latest. Now, iOS 12.3 Beta 1 brought a bunch of new features to iOS, stability improvements. There's a few things I want to cover in this video that are a bit different in Beta 2. Actually, a little bit of a problem that I've been having here, and I'll share that with you guys here in a few seconds. But 12.3, the initial release, Beta 1, brought us the new TV icon as well as the new news icon here with the subscription service right here that you see, the News Plus service and the Apple TV service here as well. That's Beta 1. I'm going to be covering a few new features from Beta 1 and Beta 2 that I missed from my previous coverage in Beta 1. If you want to watch that video, links will be in the description for that. But the software came in at 351 megabytes on the iPhone XS. On the iPhone SE, because I'm testing this on one of the newest iPhones and one of the oldest iPhones to support the software, the iPhone SE came in at 313 megabytes for the download for Beta 2 on iOS 12.3. So let's go ahead and begin with a splash screen that I got when I launched the TV new application here that we get with iOS 12.3. Now, with the initial coverage, I didn't get this splash screen. This is the privacy and security splash screen here. Let me know if you guys got this in Beta 1. I just got this here for Beta 2. I also want to share with you guys the latest build number for iOS 12.3 here, general about, and we tap on software version. The latest build number 16F5129D. Of course, a long build number. We should see a couple more betas for this software before its official launch. Now, as I mentioned, I want to cover a few features that I missed from Beta 1 here in the news application for Apple News Plus. We have this really cool carousel up the top here where you can search your magazines and newspapers. You have your travel, style, you have sports, science, outdoors. All these categories are going to be on the top here, so you don't have to go digging through the entire catalog of newspapers and magazines. You can try Apple News Plus for free right now. It is still available for you to try it out if you're running the beta. Now, under the Apple TV service here, one thing I did miss from previous coverage is you can 3D touch on a movie or a TV show and add it to the up next. So if you're watching something, you can use 3D touch to do that. And you can also tap here and it'll bring you to the TV show that you want to watch and learn more about. Now, in regards to other new features and changes within the software, I haven't come across any additional major new changes within the software. I've only been using this iOS 12.3 Beta 2 for about 2 hours, so I'll be digging around and, of course, bringing additional new features and changes in performance and all that good stuff on my follow-up video. But in this video, we're going to go ahead and run a benchmark here to see what the numbers say, and I'll be right back. 4758 single-core score and 10,608 multi-core score. This is a slight decrease in performance. I also ran the test here on the iPhone SE. We have 2577 on this device for the single core and the multi-core 4538. Now, there's one thing in particular that I want to talk about on the iPhone XS for this version of iOS 12.3 Beta 2. Now, I came across this prompt here several times after updating, connecting to hotspot failure and Wi-Fi issues as well. I'm really hoping that we're not going to be experiencing additional Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and any cellular connectivity issues as we did before, because Apple had fixed this for me since iOS 12.1, and I'm hoping that this is not a sign of issues continuing to happen with the Wi-Fi on the iPhone XS. I really hope so, because that did not show up on the iPhone SE after updating. The iPhone SE did not have issues connecting to Wi-Fi or hotspots or anything like that. But let's wait. I'm going to be testing the software, testing the battery, browsing around the software for additional new features and changes, and I'll keep you guys updated on my follow-up videos. So be sure to subscribe and turn on notification so you don't miss any of my upcoming YouTube videos and follow-up coverage on iOS 12.3. Thank you for watching today's video, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.